People don't tell you this enough, but the work you do is incredible, and you deserve to feel good about what you do. If you work in climate, sustainability, social justice, or you're committed to creating a better future, perhaps it shapes your career, but also perhaps it shapes what you do outside work, in your voluntary time, in your life, and your mission becomes all defining. And that's a great place to be, but it can be really draining, which is where the Climate Calm Resilience series is here to help you stop the spiral, calm your nervous system, and recover from burnout in a world on fire. What we're going to do in this mini coaching series is just take 2 to 3 minutes per day. So this isn't something to add to your to-do list. It's something just to enhance your experience with the book and insights that combine neuroscience and global change, and be able to take those into your daily life. Step into chapter 1 and we'll begin tomorrow.